How to use ChatGPT for getting real-time information. First of all, simply open the ChatGPT application. If you don't have application, you can simply open any browser and simply go to chatgpt.com, and the interface looks like this. Now, to use ChatGPT for getting real-time information, you can leverage its native web search feature, which pulls live data, news, sports scores, and even stock quotes directly from the internet. Now, to begin, simply open the chat. And on the chat, ask a question that is related to live data. Like you can ask, what are some events happening near me this weekend? And just hit send. And it will give you accurate location, even the maps and the events that are happening nearby, even with the dates mentioned. You can also ask like, what games, what football matches are happening today, which clubs are playing, and what's the score report? And simply tap on send. And it will look at the internet all across the globe and give you the correct information, like the match is happening and when the match is happening and the score reports. As there are no final happening on today, so there are no reports. So while searching for your script, simply include the time, like include the day, give me today information, or simply include the past few days, or what's the forecast of the weather like, and it will immediately pull the latest data that is available on the internet for you. And in that way, you can easily use ChatGPT to get the real-time information like news and so on. And that's it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.